This is the final video to fix Windows activation error code 0xC004F211. And if you're also seeing this problem on your PC, stay with me because I'll show the simplest method that actually works. I'm from 0xC, and I always explain things in a clear way so anyone can follow without confusion. This error usually appears when Windows thinks your hardware changed, especially after a motherboard replacement, BIOS reset, or system reinstall. Most online guides are confusing, but I used one easy trick that fixed everything instantly. First, open Settings, go to Update and Security, and select Activation to check for the Troubleshoot option. If the troubleshooter appears, click it and choose the option that says you changed hardware recently. Sign in with the same Microsoft account you used before, then pick your device from the list to restore activation. If the troubleshooter doesn't show, just sign into your Microsoft account and restart your PC because Windows often activates automatically once it verifies your license. This simple method works for most users and saves you from doing complicated steps that never help. Comment below if you want a full step-by-step tutorial. If your activation still fails after trying these steps, don't worry, because there are a few checks I can guide you through to make sure your Windows license works.